Brian, don't you find the word onomatopoeia to be very satisfying to say?
Onomatopoeia.
See, told you. It gets to the time of the morning when one just becomes a little silly. Onomatopoeia. I think they're such lovely birds.